gonna suck when someone's like, Alexis, what are you wearing? And I'm gonna be like, got 3 shades of L'Oreal. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be playing again with the James Charles palettes again. You guys know I'm weird and I put everything back in its packaging for like the first week just because I'm weird like that. Anyways, so we're going to be playing with the palette again. I do have a tutorial on a more colorful look. I will link that up and down below if you guys would like to check that out. I loved doing that one. It was so beautiful. I loved it. It was hella feeling myself. So in today's video, we're gonna do more of the kind of browns that you guys requested to do something more soft, but yet still glam using the more brown colors. So we're gonna be doing that today. So let's zoom in and begin. So going in with my Tarte Shape Tape, the last video I said Shart. I didn't even catch myself. I said it so casual, like, oh, that's nothing. I'm gonna go in with the Shart tape. So going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, I'm using the shade Medium, and then we're just going to apply that evenly all over my lid. And I'm just going to lightly place that right here. And I'm just going, ooh. It's not what I expected. I don't know. That is pigmented. Very pigmented. Oh. Oh wow. And I'm just gonna place that right in there and lightly buff. And I'm just gonna add a little bit to the inner corner, just like that. I really like how those two colors went together, like, ooh, really, really nice. And I'm just going to kind of pat that in my crease, and then I'm going to blend. So we're going to pat, and then we're gonna start lightly blending. I'm gonna add more color. And then we're gonna blend, lightly blend. Okay, so I'm gonna add that color, and I'm gonna mix Benny and No Beans together. So I'm mixing those and blending them. And take your time blending. You don't gotta go like, okay? Just take your time blending. See? And it's just really pretty and blended. Just looks nice, like, oh yeah. I'm just going to place that like right at the edge again. I like using that color B. It's so freaking pretty. And I'm just going to just lightly add that in there too. Okay, and now I'm gonna go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just gonna add a little bit to the back of my hand. And I'm just going to clean just right here. And then I'm just going to add it right on my lid. I didn't want to cut it, but now since I look at it, I want to cut it. Okay, sorry guys. So we're gonna cut it. And then I'm just going to apply that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my tape. I get my tape at the dollar store. Very affordable and so cute. Mixing those two together. And I'm just going to fade that right here. Fade those two colors right there. And just blend. And I'm mixing your kidding in the mix a little bit just to give it more of like a little of a reddish kind of feel. And it's gonna kind of give me more of like flex. Can you kind of see it? I hope. So going in with my NYC liquid eyeliner. If you guys don't know where to find these because Walmart doesn't sell them anymore, I just ordered them on Amazon. You guys, look, alright, focus. Look how cool these contacts are, okay? These are sugar brown. It's from this brand right here. So these are all the colors. I went with this one right here, sugar brown. Let me know if you guys want to see contacts where I try all the contacts and I just show you guys, because I did do that a long time ago and you guys did like that. So let me know if you guys would want something like that again. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys how cool it looks. Okay, so I love wearing contacts. I know that might be a little bit like whoa, because you guys never have seen me like recently. So I will be applying the J Lash eyelashes in Nadia. So anyways, so I used to always love wearing colored contacts. I loved it. And I remember I got one comment, okay? I got one comment and it was this person, like she'd always leave some nasty ass comments. And I would never delete her because I was like, you know, every time I post a video, she'd be the first one to say something nasty. So why am I gonna delete her? She's a Fambam and she don't even know it, you know? I was having a bad day. She like commented something like, just something like negative. I don't even really remember. You think I would? I don't even really remember, but it really got me like, So I went, took out the contacts and I was like, like I wasn't feeling it. It just made me feel like, you know? Anyways, so now I'm like, why? It's been like, what, like maybe like a year where I haven't used my colored contacts because I'm just like, oh, like I feel kind of like, oh, why? But then I see like everybody else and like everyone like, you know, wearing the contacts and they're doing what they want to do. And I'm like, why do I give a shit? Why do I care? Pretty, if you notice my contacts or something, like, oh babe, like, you know, he's trying to be okay. I'm like, stop, like, you know, like I don't know why. But anyways, you guys will see me switching it up using contacts and stuff because why not? You know, like why freaking not? Like I need to stop doing that where I'm like, oh my gosh, no. I get like scared, like I get so scared and it's like, for what? Like it's just have fun, man. Like I'm 25, you guys. If I keep caring or holding myself back, I'm just gonna keep aging and I'm still gonna like a stupid small thing like contacts, you guys. Stupid freaking thing as wearing contacts, okay? And yeah, I'm already 25. When I was, you know, like 2-3 years younger, I loved them and stuff. Even if it's 1 or 2 years, 3, whatever, I didn't apply the contacts because I cared too much. Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna see how long ago. You know, let me look up now. The last time I did a review on the contacts is the last time that I played with the contacts that year. So Alexis Jayda contacts. I'm just gonna put that in. 3 years ago, you guys. 3 freaking years ago. And it was the Pinky Paradise contact lenses demo try on 6-hour update. 3 freaking years ago. 3 years ago. So I'm gonna wear the contacts and I like them. They look cool. I have such caca eyes. Like super dark. So I'm really surprised that these are even showing right now. Like, what's up? You know? I freaking love you guys. You guys seriously get me in such a better mood. I'm over here like being a crybaby about contacts, but it's so much more than that, you guys. Like it's so much more than that. Where I feel like I've held myself back because like 2 or 3 people will be like, no. But the rest of the Fambam was like, hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. And I kind of like was like, because of the 3 people being like, nah. You know what I mean? So I need to stop doing that. I really need to stop doing that because I feel like there's some times where you guys see me like open up and you guys are like, yes, 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 you know, and I'm like, and I go back, you know, and it's, so I know you guys are like, damn, bitch, it's just contacts, but it's so much deeper than that. So basically what I'm saying is you guys are gonna see more of my personality. You guys are gonna see more of my personality shine through without fearing of like, oh my gosh, because I know the Fambam loves me so much and you guys have my back and you guys are just freaking awesome. So yeah, and the contacts look fucking dope. Like they look so freaking cool. Like they really do. I go in with Roach. Now we're gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Hour Glide On Eyeliner in Smog. And I'm just going to apply that right on my waterline. I want to go in with this one. I don't know why. Let's go in with Daddy. Put a bit of Daddy. I don't know why. I wanted to grab it. I'm like, I have to. I don't know if it's because of the contacts or what. And I will be grabbing wig. There you go. So I will be using face. Then I'm going to be applying some up here, my underbrow. Okay, going in with my LA Colors Cream Lip Liner. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Color Richie Sienna Supreme, and this is shade 982. They have a Kakika brown. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. And we're gonna apply this. It's like they made this shade just for me. They're like, oh yeah, Alexis Jayda likes Kakita brown. Put that in there. So now we're gonna go in with the L'Oreal Color Richie 982 Ultra Nude. And I'm just going to apply that right here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Paints Mattes L'Oreal. This one is in Skinny Dip. I just kind of want to lighten it up just a little. Right in the middle, just like a little bit. It's gonna suck when someone's like, Alexis, what are you wearing? And I'm like, got 3 shades of L'Oreal on my list. Alrighty. Okay, so this is the end of the look. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. So here's the finished look on the eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Make sure to hit that notification bell down below so you guys are notified when I do post a video, and make sure to check out my vlog channel if you guys haven't already. It's pretty fun. I love you guys. Te quiero mucho, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.